Grex 9032F Engineered Flooring Stapler. A fast, lightweight tool for fastening flooring 3/8 to 1/2 inch thick. Legendary Grex durability comes from all-metal internal construction. The cast metal foot drives staples at the perfect angle, regardless of flooring thickness. The 9032F drives 1/4 inch crown staples from 3/8 to 1 1/4 inch long. The open side-loading magazine makes for fast and easy reloads. This tool also comes with a general-purpose nosepiece for driving staples in a wide range of other situations, including tight internal corners and hardwoods that require higher than usual operating pressures. The exceptional balance of the 9032F makes for comfortable, all-day use.